Viewers, Republic TV promoter Arnab Goswami was arrested this morning.
Closing the door. With legal capacity, we are inside. Everything is live. Social distance. Yes, we'll keep.
The nation wants to know why the Republic TV channel founder Arnab Goswami has always been on a virtual war over digital media regarding Sushant Singh Rajput and his secretary Disha Salin's unresolved death case. Arnab always claimed that Aditya Bal Thackeray is behind both of these death cases. He also tried to expose the drug scam in Bollywood, and for the same reason Maharashtra ruling government is furious at him. Also, Arnab tried many times to expose the alleged relationship between Shiv Sena partner Sharad Pawar and mafia don Dawood Ibrahim. As many might suspect, Bollywood is controlled by the drug mafia under the eyesight of Dawood Ibrahim. And if anyone tried to bring up such matters in the media, do you think the alleged aide of Dawood Ibrahim, Mr. Sharad Pawar, will remain silent? As we all know, the activists of Congress party members have attempted to attack Arnab's car in the past. And I hope you guys understand the reality here. Now the current scenarios around Maharashtra reminds us about the 1975 emergency under Indira Gandhi government. Government is trying to dig up old cases of Arnab to put him in trouble since last month. This morning, government has crossed the limits and arrested Arnab from his residence. The way they were dragging him into the van was so cruel, even hardcore criminals won't likely be tackled this way. The way Arnab was physically abused while he was being pulled into the van in front of Arnab's son, who was also hit by cops when he was trying to question. Police did not even care about his health condition when Arnab himself was voicing out his concern. And on top of it, it is surprising to see an encounter specialist in the crew with cops this morning. Coming to the actual point, why is Arnab arrested this morning? In the year 2018, Alibag police had filed a case against Arnab for abetment of suicide, which is all about a 53-year-old interior designer Anve Nayak and mother Kumut Nayak committed suicide, claiming the due payments were not cleared by Arnab. But later, Arnab came up with the proofs of the checks and receipts and claimed the dues were settled. And thus, in 2019, the case was closed by Raigad police. But Arnab was persistent about Sushant and Disha's murder case and always tried to bring it up in the limelight. And this wasn't tolerated by Shiv Sena government, resulting in the reopening of closed cases against Arnab and handed over the case to CID, and which resulted to arrest him this morning. If this case has any merit or if there is any evidence to support the claims, why wasn't this case not reopened from the past 1 year? Why are all these proceedings in the picture only now after Arnab has seriously taken Sushant's and Disha's death case? Central Union Minister Prakash Javadekar tweeted as below: "We condemn the attack on press freedom of Maharashtra. This is not the way to treat press." And this reminds us the emergency days when press was treated the same way in 1975. Union Minister Smriti Irani, in her interview questioning the media, said, "Why is everyone in media silent on this? If you continue to remain silent, it's going to be one of you at the receiving end." Let's see how long Shiv Sena government will keep attacking on press and how long people will remain silent and entertain them. Thank you guys for watching this video. For more interesting facts and updates, kindly subscribe my channel and hit bell icon.